Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here in Kansas City on a home. We're going to pier the entire house all the way around. We've got 2 men in the holes here and we got 3 men fighting traffic on their way. It's about 7:30 a.m. in the morning, Wednesday. And what we're doing here is we're going to pier the entire house. The front wall is a block foundation wall just like this. And we're going to actually stabilize the home from the interior and remove and replace the front wall, and I'll show you what we're talking about. These bushes here are all going to go bye-bye tomorrow. Getting our mini excavator out here. So this wall right here basically is leaning inward on the inside, and we're going to remove and replace it. And it's going to tie into this wall right here, right there at the corner. So stay tuned as we get going out here. It's a beautiful day. It's cold, but it's a beautiful day. King Piers in Kansas City. Stay tuned. 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.